Hello everyone, welcome back to DeltaStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add friends to your main Discord server. Go to the server where you want to add new friends. The first method is to look at the top left where the server name appears. Next to it, you will see the option Invite to Server, so click on it. If you already have friends on another server, you can invite them from here. You can also search for friends by username or copy the invite link. Send the invite link to your friends using any social media app. This is a quick way to invite friends to your Discord server. The second method is using direct messages. Click direct messages, then select add friend. Enter your friend's Discord username to send a friend request. The friend request has been sent successfully. Once accepted from the other account, you will see it in the pending section. Accept the request to add the friend. Go back to your main Discord and open direct messages. You will now see your friend added and ready to invite to your server. This is how you can add friends to your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials, and thanks for watching.